Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. As I do, now I have 5 other random advice, so that they can apply them in their daily lives. Maybe some already knew it, but I am sure that at least one of them will help them a lot. This would be the second video of various advice, so this will be as useful advice. And every time we get someone else, we will put it in order so that they do not believe they are the same. So without more roll, let's see what they are. When they want to paste something with fast drying glue, but they want them to be much firmer, and are less likely to get rid of or break, they only carefully apply the glue in the area they wish to hit, and immediately throw a little bicarbonate, since that will make a layer form that will make the union much stronger than if we only did it with pure glue. Since they just take out the excess bicarbonate, and if they want they can happen with a sanding sandpaper, so that it is not so rough in the union. We have 2 batteries, and whether they are equal or of different brands, such as knowing if they still have a load to use them with our devices. It is very easy. They just grab the stack of the tip or on the positive side, and let it fall about 2 centimeters. If it is a lot of bouncing, and it will not stand as this battery does, it means that it has no charge, and we can throw it. But if on the contrary, we grab the other battery, and drop it from the same distance, but hardly bounce, and even get separate, then it still has a load. I don't know what the scientific explanation is, but try it, and you will see that it is true. How to make a thermal bag for when we get hurt and need hot compresses to cure ourselves. It is very simple. Just take a long sock that is clean and fill it with raw rice of the brand and size they want. Since they have filled it, only make a knot at the end so that this does not get out. When they are going to use it, they only put it in the microwave for 1 or 2 minutes depending on your oven. There they calculate it since it can leave very hot. Since time passed, we just take it out, and it is ready for us to use it in the part of the body where we need it, either in the neck, on the shoulder, etc. They can even use it to heat their feet in bed in those days of very cold. They have a plastic bag, whether food or anything that is stored, but they made a very tight knot, and they cannot get it out, and do not want to break the bag because they want to put things back there, or need it for something else. They only grab the end of the bag and enter it to roll the most tight as they can. They will see that as much as this solo squeezes, it can enter the part of the knot, and can undo it without problems, and without the need to break the bag or cut it. As shown in the video, we have eggs in the refrigerator or in the cupboard, but we are not sure that they are good because every time we are going to finish we buy others, but we do not realize which ones were the newest. How to know if they are still good, and they can eat, and they will not hurt us? It is very easy. Just take a glass of water and throw the egg. If it goes to the bottom, it means that it is still good and can eat it without problems. But if on the contrary they throw it into the glass of water, and this bleep, that indicates that the egg is already bad, and it is not safe to eat it. So if they have the doubt, with this simple method they will know that egg is good or not. As you can see, these tips can be very useful for their daily life. Maybe some of you already knew them, but maybe your friends or family did not. So share them so that they can also use them to get a little easier some aspects of life, or simply to know that they can be done differently. Things. As you know, if you like this video, give it a little man, subscribe, share with all your family, friends, and acquaintances, like on the Facebook page, follow us on Twitter, and check the other videos, since I assure you that some of them will be very useful. Thanks for seeing us, and hopefully they liked these tips. As always, see you in the next videos. Thank you.